Josh, say something witty.
Laughing is pretty witty.
No, that's a lie.
Oh, cool.
So what's up, man? How have you been?
Yeah, I've been pretty good, actually. I got a plan now.
Oh, good.
For screenwriting and like lots of cool stuff to do after college.
Excellent.
Like I'm gonna be going to grad school. It's gonna be cool, man.
I know it is. Oh yeah, I'm participating in that.
Yeah.
FYI. Pokemon tournament.
Pokemon. Wait, is it videoing?
Starts at noon.
Huh?
Is it videoing?
Videoing? It's a tournament.
Oh.
Game tournament. There's also a Brawl tournament, but I don't know if I'm gonna...
Brawl sucks.
You shut up.
Yeah, you were playing guitar?
Yeah. Dude, I was in a tournament 2 days ago.
How'd you do?
I lost.
Yeah.
Third round though.
That's okay, it's okay.
Yeah.
You don't want to be good at that game.
Yeah, I know. I'm not. Dude, I play the game 8.5 hours a day, so I really don't care.
You what?
I play that game 8.5 hours a day.
Oh yeah, that's right, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, you beta tested it and you lost?
Yeah.
You're not supposed to lose if you're a beta tester.
Well, I did. There are people better than me out there.
You should be so tired of it that you don't even have to think about it.
You're just like, you don't even need to look at the song and at the screen.
Yeah, and then you just win.
Whatever.
Wait, what other games do they have here?
Let's look around.